Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the heart of project management, managing deadlines in UPBASE. And yes, we're using the 2025 version, so you're up to date with the latest features. Our first step is to create a new project or select an existing one. Remember, each project is unique, and having a clear overview helps you manage deadlines more effectively. So, once you're in your project, go to the task section and create new tasks, or you can edit existing tasks. The reason we do this is to ensure that all your project tasks are in a single, organized location. It helps us because we can easily assign deadlines, monitor progress, and keep everything on track. Next up, let's assign deadlines to these tasks. Click on a task and you'll find an option to set a due date. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE automatically tracks these deadlines and alerts you when they're approaching. Isn't that handy? Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up notifications. Go to your settings, find the notifications section, and customize how and when you want to be notified about approaching deadlines. This step is crucial as it helps you stay proactive and not miss any deadlines. It's your personal assistant keeping you on track. Moving on, let's discuss the dashboard, your command center. It gives you a bird's eye view of all your deadlines. It's color-coded, showing tasks that are on track, overdue, or approaching deadlines. The reason we use this is to stay informed about the health of our projects at a glance. Lastly, let's not forget about the team. Collaborate with your team members, assign tasks, and share deadlines. You can do this by going to the team section, selecting a member, and assigning tasks to them. Let me explain why this matters. Sharing responsibilities not only divides the work, but also multiplies the success. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your deadlines using UPBASE. Remember, the key is to stay organized, proactive, and collaborative. Now go forth and conquer those deadlines. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy project managing.